Now this one is interesting. Carowinds released an email today to all their Platinum Pass holders, I believe, about the new Prestige Pass coming to Cedar Fair Parks in 2023. From what I've seen, it looks like they're going to be replacing the Golden Platinum Pass with this. Now let me tell you, the price of a Prestige Normal Pass, which will get you into the one Cedar Fair Park of your choice, in my case it would be Carowinds, that costs around the price of a Platinum Pass alone. And if you want the Prestige Plus Pass, which is basically the Platinum Pass but more overpriced now, that will be around $325. Because the passes are more expensive, you do get more benefits such as free fast lanes every time you visit a park, free preferred parking, and other benefits like bring a friend and discounts off food and merchandise. So overall, you're paying more, but you get more benefits, not to mention that you get early entry at most parks now, not just Cedar Point. So let's talk about what you're actually getting out of these passes. You get one free fast lane, an easy payment plan, which is going to be $17 a month for the Prestige and $25 for the Prestige Plus, which is going to be similar to Busch Gardens and SeaWorld Entertainment, how they do it. You also get unlimited visits to events like Carowinds. I'm not sure if you get it to Not Scary Farm, but from what I'm reading off on the Carowinds website, you do get unlimited Carowinds visit and Winterfest visits. You get free general parking. I know that's something that the Platinum Pass had in the past, because I actually have a Platinum Pass and I've had it for 2 years, and you get some pretty nice discounts. You actually get a very, very good discount on a Fastlane Plus or a Fastlane for most parks. But for both passes, you get 15% food and merchandise discounts, bring a friend tickets, pass perk rewards, 2 pre-K passes for free, preferred parking, and a preferred entrance for 2 hours daily. And you get early entry into the park and water park for, I think, all parks. I'm just reading off the Carowinds website. So for the Carowinds website, Carowinds will be adding early entry next year, but with this new pass system. 1 front of the line pass per minute visit, which is probably like an exit pass. I'm not sure. I think they mean fast lane. And then 2 bring a friend tickets annually. Also, you get access to a VIP area, similar to like the Millennium Force or Valraven Lounge at Cedar Point. They're probably going to do that. And access to a water park VIP area at some parks. Also, you do not get into other Cedar Fair parks with the Prestige Pass. You have to have a Prestige Plus Pass, which, keep in mind, is $100 more expensive. So, is it really going to be worth it? I think so. Now, Cedar Fair is overpricing these a bit, I think, but I generally think that this is going to be an okay change, and I think the monthly plan is going to be better than having to pay yearly like you've had to for the past few years. But that's just the rundown on the new pass system. I'm not sure if I'm allowed to share this yet. If I am, then good, because I already have this video out, and if I'm not, then I will take this down absolutely immediately. So if you see this, then I have not been ordered to take it down yet. Anyways, this is Zero G Coaster signing out. Have a great rest of your day, and see you guys.